Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Check this out. This is the ETENWOLF T300 tire pressure digital gauge. This is pretty cool. I'm going to keep this in my car. I wanted to show you guys this thing. Just got this in the mail the other day, ordered it on Amazon, and you'll find a link in the description below to purchase that. Here you have the how-to card on how to install the batteries. It also comes with batteries. Your calibration certificate to let you know that it actually passed calibration for the PSI, or tire pressure I should say, and a user manual. Now this is the actual digital tire pressure gauge. It comes with batteries, 2 AAA. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. The packaging is really good. It's some quality packaging. It's not really cheap packaging, so that makes me feel a little bit better about this gizmo. The batteries go inside here. Now inside here, where the batteries go, you're going to find your adapter for the small little valve stems like on your bikes. My Trek has the really thin valve stem, so this is the adapter so you can check the tire pressure on that. On the inside, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but right here it lets you know which way to put the batteries in. So on that side we're going to be positive up, this side positive down. Put the cap back on, pull your trigger, let it load up. Has a little light on the front right here in case you're checking your tire pressure at night. Now that it's loaded up, you have 0 PSI. This thing will measure the tire pressure between 3 PSI to 200 PSI, I believe. Put this right onto your tire, check your PSI so you can see if you need to add air or not. It's really important to make sure you have proper tire pressure as you want your tires to last longest and you want your car to handle the best it can. So if you have like an under pressurized tire, you're going to get uneven wear. Over pressurized tire, uneven wear. Now if you check out Scotty's Hobbies, the video library, you will find a video popping up tomorrow or the day after, maybe the day after that, of actually going out and using this on my car and just showing you guys how good this thing works. But this here is the T300 tire pressure gauge from ETENWOLF. Seems to be pretty good quality. I really like this light thing. Look for a link in the description below to purchase one of these, and I'll let you guys know what I think about this, give it a day or two. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video.